Let's make pecan pralines. I have 2 cups of light brown sugar, 1 cup of regular white granulated sugar, 1 cup of heavy whipping cream, and then a 1/4 cup of butter, 3 tablespoons of corn syrup, and this just helps stabilize the sugar. I have the burner set to medium heat, and then we are just going to stir and melt everything together and bring it to a boil. And we want to bring this temperature up to right around between 235 Fahrenheit and 240 Fahrenheit, which is the soft ball stage. And that is like 112 to like 115 Celsius. And make sure that you are stirring so it doesn't burn. Okay, usually once it starts to bubble like this, it only takes about 5 minutes or so to get up to temp. So we're almost there at 226 right now. All right, there we go. We are right around 237, 238 Fahrenheit, which is great. So that is good. And now I'm going to take this off the heat, and then we want to let it cool down to about 150 Fahrenheit, which is 65 degrees Celsius. Now meanwhile, let's come over here to a sheet pan, and let's add 2.5 cups of halved pecans. Now we're going to roast these in the oven, 350 Fahrenheit, 176 Celsius for about 10 minutes. Let's add a teaspoon of vanilla extract and about 1/8 of a teaspoon of salt. And give that a good mix. And also at this time, we will add that 2.5 cups of roasted pecans. Now we are going to stir for a couple minutes until the mixture kind of loses its glossiness. Very common to like making fudge, things like that. Once it has lost its glossiness and it's nice and thick, take a couple of tablespoons here and we'll spoon it onto a silicone matte lined baking pan, or you could use something like wax paper instead. Let these sit and firm up for 15, 20, 30 minutes. You can also use a muffin pan lined with paper cups if you want. And when they are set, they'll look something like this. The ones in the paper cups, they come right out real easy. Look at that. Nice pecan praline.